Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning life coach layout pack with 6 different pages. These pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the Life Coach Layout Pack. So we have 6 different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a coaching page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. And let me just show you what these pages look like. So this is the home page, for instance, and I'll also show you what this page looks like on different devices, so on tablet and on phone. And for that, I'm going to enable the visual builder at the top of my page. And I'll switch over to tablet mode by clicking on the icon located at the bottom of this page and going to tablet mode. So as you can see, this is a very stunning design on tablet as well. And let's take a look at the phone version. And this is what you can expect. So these layouts look equally as good on phone, tablet as they do on desktop. Alright, so if you're going to use this Life Coach Layout Pack to create your own Life Coach website or any other website you want to create, you're probably going to change a lot of content. So you're going to change the images, the copy, and everything around that. So each one of the layouts is a combination of module, row, and section settings, and these settings have been applied before actually uploading this layout pack to your own page, and you can access all of those changes that have been made to it without having to touch the unmodified settings. So I'll show you what that looks like. It is a recent feature. It's called modified style. So if I open this module, for instance, over here you will see that there's a filter and you can click on modified styles. And what this will do is it will show you all the modifications that have been made to that module in particular. So you can just change these settings and not go to all of the different settings and see what changes have been made to it already. So for instance, you can change the size. Over here, you can change the colors. So you can basically play around with all of these settings over here. And if you want to change a layout entirely, you can do that as well by clicking on the button located at the bottom of your page, going to the plus icon, and over here within the pre-made layouts, you'll see all of the layout packs. So you can combine different layouts from different layout packs with each other to create your website and just modify the style as you go. Or you can just simply go to the Life Coach Layout Pack located at the bottom over here because it's the newest. And if you click on this layout pack, you'll see all of the layouts that are available. So there are 6 in total, as I've mentioned before. And before actually installing one of these layouts on your website, you can simply view the live demo by clicking on the blue button, and it will bring you to a website that contains all of the layouts. You will be able to see what they look like without actually having to use it on your own website first. So you can easily navigate to all of the different layouts. And if you see a layout that suits your needs, you can simply click on use this layout. And if you do that, it will just take a little bit of time until it gets uploaded, and it will change your page entirely into the new layout that you've chosen. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.